Perfectly prepared grilled veal rib chops, thinly sliced, served with a punchy fresh herb chimichurri, assorted sides. I've said it before, but this time I really mean it. Wait until you try this. Grilled veal rib chops with fresh chimichurri. This one goes out to all the grill masters and at-home chef wannabes. If you've ever wondered how to perfectly prepare veal chops, this video is for you. The result, tender, juicy slices of veal you simply will not believe. You ready to get going? Let's go. To begin the veal rib chops, I have 2 chops, each weighing 1 pound. We're serving 4 guests. The cut is from the rib primal. Each chop contains a single rib bone from the rack. It is surrounded by a highly prized tender ribeye muscle. I had my butcher French the chops. She scraped the bone of fat and meat, plus I asked her to tie them up with string to ensure the bone and meat stay together during the grilling. To prep for the recipe, we suggest taking the chops from the fridge about 30 minutes before grilling them. This brings them to room temperature. Then a simple pat with paper towel to remove excess moisture, then a drizzle and rub with extra virgin olive oil, and do a sprinkle both sides with kosher salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Done. We're going to list the full recipe and all those details at weekendatthecottage.com, but I also want to encourage you to visit our friends at thinkveal.ca. They have tons of great information on how to cook veal perfectly. Veal chops are still coming to temperature. While they are, do this. Easy chimichurri. Into the canister of a food processor or handy chopper, fresh parsley, fresh oregano, lots of garlic, kosher salt, some red wine vinegar. Run the machine to roughly chop. Then we add extra virgin olive oil. Wait for it. Watch as I spill this into the bowl. Doesn't it look fresh and wonderful? It is. Now wait until you try it with the veal. Optional, freshly diced bird's eye pepper adds some heat to the sauce. You're gonna stir and chimichurri is done. Right about now, you should be thinking, hey, prepping those veal chops was easy, and making that chimichurri was pretty simple. I'm here to tell you that grilling veal chops is easy too. All you gotta do is do this. Turning on the grill, left side is on, but the right side isn't. Our goal temp is 500 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 260 degrees Celsius. We place the veal rib chops onto the grill over direct heat. We're gonna sear them for 2 minutes, then flip. Sear the flip side for 2 minutes more. Next step, we're moving the chops to the other side of the grill, the side that isn't on. Shut the lid and cook for 8 to 9 minutes per side. This is the trusted way to do them. We're gonna sear them on direct heat and finish them on indirect heat. It works like a charm. Of course, never be too proud to check. I use a probe thermometer looking for 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. The goal temp is 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius for medium rare. That temperature will climb even a bit more as the chops rest for 5 minutes. Pro tip. During the 5 minutes of rest time, remember the internal temperature of that veal chop is going to continue to climb a little bit, maybe 5 degrees. But more important, that rest time will allow the meat to relax and you're going to be left with the most tender, the most juiciest slices of veal imaginable. Now it's time to try. Do me a favor, get some tasty side dishes going, whether you're doing smashed potatoes with melted French blue cheese, how about garlic butter sauteed wild mushrooms? You might even have a favorite tossed salad at the ready. But it's all about our grilled veal rib chops. Cutting away the string, we have a sharp knife. We are cutting thin slices. Look at this. Perfectly cooked, especially the way my crew most enjoys, medium rare. I'm transferring over to a presentation platter, adding a few spoonfuls of that chimichurri, but I'm not done yet. Wait, I want to show you what happens when you go to dinner plates. The slices of veal and then the potatoes. I have sauteed wild mushrooms. Oh, and yes, please, with that chimichurri. Everything about this recipe, amazing. Good news, the full recipe is available up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Watching us on YouTube, drop us comments, give us a thumbs up, and tell all your friends about weekendatthecottage.com. Also, don't forget to visit thinkveal.ca. They have a ton of great recipes using veal we know you're going to enjoy. Tender, juicy, grilled veal rib chops with fresh chimichurri. And it's always about the first bite. It is so tender and juicy, and then that hit of chimichurri, remarkable. Enjoy. Beautiful, like butter. My God.